Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about a great app and website called We Read Too. That's right, it's a website that's designed um, to help you locate authors of African American descent for kids and young adults featuring characters of African American descent. We're going to switch screens here and we're going to take a look at We Read Too, and we're going to look at the website as well. And hopefully it will help you discover new authors. Give me a second here. I've got to switch screens like we always do. And we'll take a look at this great app. And here we go. There we go. We Read Too. And it helps if I scroll up to the top of the website. But it's a website you can find at We Read Too. But like I said before in the intro, you can discover hundreds of books written by authors of color featuring characters of color. So you can search and browse, and you can even suggest new titles. So if there's a book by an author of color, doesn't necessarily mean they have to be African American, be Hispanic or even Asian, Indian, you name it. You can find authors and suggest authors as well. A little bit about the app is a great story. It's designed by Kaya Thomas. Sorry, she's an iOS developer. So as you can see, this app started off with Apple, and but it's available for Android devices too. So great way or great thing happening with young developers out there. Good things happen when we introduce our kids to technology. Now let's take a look at the app. So give me a second here. I've got to minimize our desktop, and we've got to go into our world famous app, A Power Phone Manager. Let me log into the phone manager and then we'll get started. Um, let's see here. We're in. So let's go full screen. And there we are. We're in We Read Too the app. So if you want to look for children's fiction, you can just click on children's fiction, and as you can see, gives you can search, or you can go from the list of books that are already in there. I can scroll with my finger. I keep trying to do it with my mouse, but I'm doing it for my iPhone, so that's kind of hard to remember. Um, but if you wanted to look at a book, you can go, gives you a title of the book, and it kind of gives you an idea about the book. And as you can see, this book features a Lakota Sioux youth. So as you can see, it's not just African Americans, it's anyone of color. Anyway, here's another book of poems. Gives you the book and the author, or the book cover and the author, so that way you can highlight it. Unfortunately, from the app, you can't purchase directly from the app, but if you're looking, you can definitely go through here, find the title, get a brief synopsis, and then you could hop on Amazon and order the book. One of the ones that kind of caught my eye was a book by Tony Dungy, Team Stays Together. So that is out, or books in the young or the children's category. Let's go to young adult fiction. Let's click on some more books just to kind of give you an idea how the actual app works. So just go through, get a synopsis of some books, order them on Amazon or find them at your local library. From our app that we talked about, Libby, and you can definitely find some great books featuring people of ethnicity. Um, so there you have it. So let's get out of this and let's get out of our world famous app, A Power Soft Phone Manager, and then we can switch back to yours truly. Maybe. There we go. All right. If you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tips that you would like to hear or see in future videos. I guess with videos you can hear and see me. Speaking of videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's tons of videos there. help you get more from the technology that you use every day. And we're all over social media too. So check out Integral and yours truly on all of the social media channels. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And have a great day.